Bonjour à tous! Today we are going to have a look at Futur Proche. So what is Futur Proche? It talks about the near future, something that is about to happen. So I'm certain about this thing that whatever I'm talking about, that is going to happen anytime soon. For example, I am going to eat an apple. I am going to eat an apple is different from I will eat an apple. What is the difference? When I say I will eat an apple, it's not really certain when I am going to eat that apple, or if I'm going to eat that apple or not eat an apple. There is uncertainty attached to it. All right. But here when I'm saying I am going to eat an apple, I'm sure about this thing that anytime soon I am going to eat an apple. Another example can be we are going to watch a movie. So now let's see the formation of this. The formation is subject. What are subject pronouns? Je, tu, il, elle. So we are going to use that. Plus ale in simple present tense. So what is the conjugation of ale? Je, ve, tu, va. That thing we are going to see in our next slide. So yes, it's really important to know the conjugation of ale in order to frame the sentences in future proche form. Plus the infinitive form of the verb. What is infinitive form of the verb? The unconjugated form of the verb, the pure form of the verb. So let's see the conjugation of ale. That is je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, and elles vont. So here is an example of a verb that has been conjugated into the future proche form. The verb is manger, to eat. So je vais manger. Tu vas manger. Il va manger. Elle va manger. On va manger. Nous allons manger. Vous allez manger. Ils vont manger. And elles vont manger. So basically, do you see over here that in all these cases, I have not changed the form of manger. Manger remains the same. The only thing that is changing is the conjugation of our verb aller in its present form. So it's going to be I am going to eat, you are going to eat, he is going to eat, and so on. Let's have a look at few examples now. The first one, I am going to watch a movie. So it's going to be je vais regarder a film. Je vais regarder a film. I've only conjugated aller over here and regarder remains the same. Second, they are going to drink a tea. So what is to drink in French? That is boire. That is going to remain the same. So what is going to change? It is only the conjugation of the verb aller. Ils vont boire du thé. Third, she is going to read a book. Elle va lire un livre. So over here also it is the conjugation of aller only that is changing. Lire remains the same. You are going to dance with me. Tu vas danser avec moi. Très bien. I hope this topic is clear with you all, and if it is, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for the future videos. A bientôt!